The inlet cap is attached to the rear of your nail gun's handle. It both seals the handle to contain the air inside and is the attachment point for the quick connect nipple. The most common problem with the inlet cap is an air leak. This is often caused by a crack in the cap, usually caused by accidentally dropping the gun. The magazine also attaches to the cap. If dropped, the mounting bracket can be broken off. Replacing the inlet cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the inlet cap. It's secured with 3 screws. There's also 1 screw that secures the magazine to the bracket on the inlet. I'll remove it. Now I'll remove the gasket from the cap. And I'll remove the inlet filter. Now I'll remove the inlet nipple from the old cap and transfer it over to the new. I'll apply some thread tape to the nipple before I install it on the new cap. I'll reinstall the filter. And now the cap is ready for reinstallation. I'll align the intake gasket with the cover, and then align this assembly with the gun. And I'll secure it with the screws. And I need to remember to reinstall the hook on one side of the cap. And I'll reinstall the screw that secures the magazine to the cap. And that's how easy it is to install a new inlet cap on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.